Hello everyone, I'm Patrick De Guzman, the founder of Saltric and the inventor of the Marisa turbine. The problem that we are solving is that 70% of our electricity comes from dirty fossil fuels, coal, oil, and natural gas. And our alternatives, such as the solar panels and wind turbines, do not work 24/7. Our solution is that 70% of our planet is the ocean. We harness the ocean to generate hydroelectric energy. It generates stable power supply, it is low cost, scalable, and has robust construction. The specifications of the Marisa turbine: the development cost is about 350,000 pesos. A 1 kilowatt Marisa turbine can power 2 Filipino households. It is suitable for rivers, lakes, canals, and the sea. It can be connected to the local electric grid. It works with battery storage and have 40-month parts warranty. And this is a personal story on the name Marisa turbine. Marisa was the name of my late mother, and it also means of the sea in Latin. So Marisa turbine, turbine of the sea. The Marisa turbine will create jobs in the local community and engage the locals, resulting into economic empowerment. It also enhances education, giving electricity access to students without electricity for their lights. This is our market, the Occidental Mindoro, with 2 to 3 years return on investment. Currently, Occidental Mindoro has a 22 megawatt power shortage, and it cost them 1.6 billion pesos for 1 megawatt diesel fuel cost for 2 years. Versus the deployment of Marisa turbine will only cost them 120 million pesos for a one-time deployment cost. So a 5 peso per kilowatt times 20 hours times 1 year is equals 36 million annual revenue per 1 megawatt generated. This is the map of the Mindoro Island potential sites for our Marisa turbine deployment. For our 2-year vision, by 2025, we will increase the reliability of the turbine, increase to 200 households, and launch into Southeast Asia and the Middle East. And by 2026, we will increase the beneficiaries into 500 households and a 20% deployment cost reduction. This is the team behind Saltric. Yours truly, Patrick De Guzman, the founder and CEO. Hannah Ritos for Project Development and Public Relations. Engineer Alio Denoyo, Chief Operations Officer. Engineer Adrian Alvarez, Chief Technology Officer. Ethan Arcelao, our People Officer. And Juliana Madrona, Project Development and Finance. Everyone, let us see the future of energy. Thank you for listening to our story.